So everyone's been asking me, oh, Julian, do you have a mentorship? Do you have a mentorship? Do you do one-on-ones? And it's funny because obviously because of the results I've been getting, people want the same results, so they ask me for that. And before I tell you the answer to that, I actually want to cover, I got a few comments on my last few videos. And someone's like, you have to see through this guy. He just sells making money online, but he really makes the money off you. And look, I don't care about those comments, but realistically, I look at that and I say, well, one, not only is he full of hatred, jealousy, all of that nonsense. Two, he forgets the fundamental part of the market. At the end of the day, that's how the world runs. I have something valuable, I have a solution to other people's problems, and there's a transaction. I give you the value, and I receive money, exchange. So it's funny how when people start selling something online, they're already deemed as gurus or this and that. And it's like, you don't understand the fundamentals of how just the world runs. At the end of the day, that's how everything runs. But to answer your question, do I have a mentorship? The short answer is no. But let me tell you the long answer because it's more valuable. Because I have gotten a few results, everyone wants to know how I got the results. That's amazing. But at the end of the day, I don't have a mentorship right now because I want to make sure I can do it again. It wasn't just luck. I want to make sure that I have systems and skills that I can reapply every single time and results come in every single time. And I could have been like everyone else on the internet. They start seeing little results and right away they start charging people $1,000 here, $1,000 there. But yet they don't even give the good value. And one, not only is God watching and you should do what's right, at the end of the day, people have to think more long term. What's worth it to start off by giving $1,000 here, $1,000 there, but then giving something shit? And then people, not getting the value that their hard working money deserved? Or do I just wait to prove to others, to prove to myself that I can do it again, consistently prove that the value, the skills, the systems I have can work constantly for everyone, and then sell later down the line? You see, people don't have that long-term vision. It's crazy how a 20-year-old has that long-term vision, but a lot of people right away, they just want to make that quick, easy money. But then it fucks you in the long term. So at the end of the day, I want to leave it off with, no, I don't have a mentorship. Soon it'll come. And maybe, who knows, I'll charge 1,000, 10,000. Who fucking knows? But I want to make sure that I know what I'm talking about, what I have the value that I can give to you that's worth people's money. And then later down the line, maybe. At the end of the day, I want to leave off by have that long-term vision. Don't get greedy into the instant pleasures, instant gratifications. At the end of the day, remember to subscribe. The train's leaving fast. It's going. Enjoy the free content while it is. And that's when I'll see you at the top.